Hello everyone. So if you want to use two apps simultaneously on your Android phone, I guess you would be interested in the split screen mode, so let's dig into it. First of all, we gotta open up the first app. Let it be a YouTube, for example. Quite a classic experience. Now let's swipe up to escape from YouTube and let's open up the second application. For example, let it be our Notes app. And there we are. So now let's open up our recent app. In my case, I just have to pull it up and hold my finger a bit. If you're using buttons, tap on those three lines button. And we are in our recent app menu. Now let's tap on our application icon at the top and let's press open its split screen view. Easy as that. So here is the second application. Now we gotta choose the second application to be opened up at the bottom or at the top, like it depends. So if you're gonna drag this handle, you can resize the windows. As you see, both of my application work at the same time. We can resize them up, and when you are done with your split screen view and you want to close it, you can simply close both of the application just like this, press close and close, or you can simply drag it down and there we are. The second application is closed and we're using our YouTube as we usually do. And basically that's it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.